Hey, welcome to the show. Today we are going to be drawing a cartoon chicken head. Why don't you join us? All right, welcome back to the show. Let's get started on our cartoon chicken head. So first of all, what I like to do is draw a nice big eyeball, just like that. All right. And then I'm going to draw another eyeball. And it's only going to be about halfway going, so I'm just going to stop right about there. So don't go any farther than that. And now you got to draw the beak, and you can get very creative on drawing beaks, but I'm going to draw kind of a smaller one right here. Kind of curves down and then goes in like that. Then I'll go ahead and put my pupils in right here, and I'm going to have them looking that way. And for the feathers on the top, I'm just kind of doing some little loop-de-loops here. All right. All right. And then over here, you can bring the beak in, kind of a curved line like this, and then some feathers coming down here. And then you can bring some feathers coming down here. And for my feathers, it's just kind of a squiggly line. And then for the beak here, you kind of want to put a line just for a little bit of the nostril. And there is your easy, cheesy cartoon chicken head. You can get super creative with this also. So I'm just going to do a couple examples. Put the eyes here. And then you can draw a bigger beak like that. All right. You could be getting some different shapes. Now, if you want to, you could put the line in for the beak if you want to, or if you don't, that's fine. You could also get a front view. Let me scoot over here. All right, then you draw a curved line like this, going down. All right. There's another variation of that. Now let's do one more here. And I'm just going to make a very little one. So it makes it look like this is a smaller chicken. All right. However you want to draw it, as long as you are creative and having fun drawing some cartoon chicken heads. Hey, thanks a lot for joining the show today. I hope you had a great day. Make sure you subscribe so you don't miss one exciting episode of our drawing show. And I hope you have a fun day. Adios.